So in this video, I am going to discuss paano po ba yung charge transactions or charge sales or utang for existing customer natin. So the first thing that we have to do is we have here displayed yung ating POS cashier ng ating MOT side. Tap lang po natin yung items. Here we are going to punch or to input the products na gustong bilhin ng or utangin ng ating customer po. So I'm just selecting random items. So you can actually see, ayan po yung mga items na pinunch ko. We also have the price and on top you will see the total amount of 137 pesos po. So the next step po, tap nyo lang yung three line icons. The moment you tap that one po, you have to tap charge to customer. So dito natin isi-search yung pangalan ng ating customer po. So if they are existing po, lalabas na po sila. Just for example, like mine, Juan de la Cruz. So select ko lang po si Juan de la Cruz and then tap OK. Automatically, makikita nyo po doon sa taas yung pangalan ni Juan de la Cruz and then the balance kung meron pa siyang existing utang. Next is for the payment na tayo or for the ending of the transaction. Tap ulit natin yung three line icon. Tap lang po natin yung tender sales. Okay? And then you will see the payment type is charge. It's already set. Tap nyo lang po yung okay. And we have the payment memo. So for this, bakit natin papautangin yung customer natin? Usually po, we actually put their CTA or stands for charge to account. So yun yung i-input natin dito. So depends on you kung ano yung gusto nyong ilagay. But always remember, etong memo na to ay lalabas doon sa printout ng resibo natin. So once you tap OK po, wait tender and then printing, please wait. And if you're going to find out po, the moment na nag-print po tayo, meron po tayong dalawang copy na makikita. One copy for the customer po and one copy for the cashier. So that is how we do it po in our process here in MOT or here in BitPOS MOT, paano mag-charge sales for existing customer.